ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಸಿರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಪೋಯಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5, ಮರಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಓಪನ್ ಅಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರೋರು ಯಾರು? ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಅರವಿಂದ ಮಾಲಗತ್ತಿ. Okay, so before going to the poem, we'll see what is this poem all about. You have a small box there, Praveshanta is the entrance. So we'll just look into it. What is this poem all about? ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದಲಿತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರವು ಒಂದು. ದಲಿತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, what is this ದಲಿತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಪ್ರಕಾರ? If you observe, in the olden days, there were a kind of a discrimination that used to happen. In the name of religion, in the name of caste irbodu, there were a lot of discrimination. So in that kind of a discrimination, there was a necessity to happen a revolution. So iglo kuda now also we find few kind of a discrimination which is really bad. We are born as a human being, we will die as a human being, and in this kind of a life we come up with a lot many things like caste, religion, or many discrimination as a male and female, upper class, lower class, rich, poor. All these things are not needed for our life, for a happy life. There is no need of all these things. Be a human, be a good human with a humanity which matters a lot. So these things has to be dominant. These things has to be followed, but where we have not followed in many instances, we are not following now also. So we have to eradicate, remove all these kind of a discrimination. So Dalita Sahitya is one of that kind of a poetry system where they talk more about the discrimination that is happening in the society. Okay, so if you have come across any kind of these things, and you're right, this is wrong, you're not supposed to practice these kind of a discrimination. This is really bad for the life, because we are human beings. We are also creature in this entire universe. Just like animals, we are one of the creatures with a little knowledge, but that knowledge has to be used in a right way. We cannot use and rule on someone with this knowledge. ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋಷಿತರ ನೋವು, ಕಷ್ಟ, ವೇದನೆಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲಿಟ್ರೇಚರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇನ್, lot of discrimination, lot of difficulties, the sufferings that they are undergoing. So that kind of a poetry all these about. ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿರೋಧವನ್ನು ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. their protest and their ಏನಂತಾರೆ, it's all about their protest and so this shows all about the protest they are undergoing, the protest they are doing to remove all these kind of a discrimination. Okay, so ಆ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮಾನತೆಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸುವುದು ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಮೂಲಾಗ್ರ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ತರುವುದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ. So this is how they want to bring the equality in the society by removing, eradicating all kind of a discrimination. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅರವಿಂದ ಮಾಲಗತ್ತಿ ಅವರು ಈ ಕವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬುದ್ಧನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್, ದ ಅರವಿಂದ ಮಾಲಗತ್ತಿ, ದ ಪೋಯಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬುದ್ಧ, ಹೌ ದ ಬುದ್ಧ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ವಾಟ್ ದ ಬುದ್ಧ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಹೌ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ. That thing is being explained in this poem. What are the kind of qualities, what are the kind of a behavior that we need to include, what is that we need to learn from Buddha. All these things is being explained in this poem through Buddha. So let's see the poem. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಮರಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಬುದ್ಧನೆಡೆಗೆ. Please come towards the home, come to the home, you come towards the Buddha. The Buddha is meaning ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, is completely eternal thing. ಅಂದರೆ what can I say, the one who has just who lives for the peace, who doesn't like the violence, who doesn't hurt anyone, and who doesn't ಏನಂತಾರೆ, who is in the meditation and a calm mind with very thoughtful mindset and a positive mindset. So that is what the Buddha is all about. Okay. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಬುದ್ಧನೆಡೆಗೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕತ್ತಲಿಂದೀಚೆಗೆ. Come out of the darkness. You have some problem, please come out of it. Do not keep cribbing on the problem. If you have a problem in your maths or science or any subject, don't keep telling that I have a problem with maths, I have a problem with maths, I don't like maths, I don't like geography, I don't like civics. Hell with it. You have a problem, find out what is the problem, give a little more try on the subject. Maybe you may not like the history, maybe you might like geography. Learn geography more. Through geography, you can like the history also. How is you like India? You like the geography of India. You are learning the geography. Obviously, if you have to learn the geography, you should know few concepts of a history also. How the civilization started, when it started, who came in, why did they came in, what did they got, how did the horses come inside the India, how did the silk come inside the India, how did the spies went outside the India. You are learning the geography and also you are combining the history now. So that's how. Remove the darkness. Whatever, darkness is not just about the life, it's about your subjects also. Fine. So darkness inda aache bari, kattalinda aache banni, kattalindi ಈಚೆಗೆ. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಆದಿಗೆ. Adi is the beginning. Come to the beginning of the light. Come there. It will take time. See, always you should not dependent on something. You want a help, seek help from yourself. You always have a solutions for your problem. You should not keep cribbing. You should not keep waiting for something. Something has to be done from others. It will take time. It will be done to you. But anything that is in your hands, do not wait for anyone. Don't be dependent. Always make sure you are independent in your decisions, independent in your problem solving. ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ನಿತ್ಯ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯ. ಬುದ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿತ್ಯ. It's a every routine. ಬುದ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? The peace, the humanity, the non-violence. It has to be continued daily, everyday activity. ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯ, and it is a truth. All these behaviors, all these qualities are truth. ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ. ಬುದ್ಧ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪೀಸ್. Buddha is also revolution, the revolution against your mind, a revolution against your negative thoughts. Buddhanendare karune, karune is a sympathy. It's all about the sympathy. You are creating sympathy about your own self. Buddhanendare belaku, Buddha andre it's a light, light inside you. Lumbini yabanake vaishaka bandante. Lumbini andre it's a place where Buddha has born. Vaishaka bandante, Vaishaka andre it's where it's the life is enriching. Life enrich ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಬುದ್ಧ, ಅಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಲೈಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್. ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಪೋಯಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್, ವೆರಿ ಡೆಪ್ತ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವೇ. ನೀ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಿ ಮಣ್ಣೆಯು, ನೀ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಿ ಮನೆಯು. ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಮರೆತು ಹೋದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು ಈಗ. ಮರೆತೋದೆ ಹೇಗೆ, ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೆನಪಾಯಿತು ಈಗ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ಡ್ ನೌ. ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ತೆರೆದಿಹುದು ಈ ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲು. ದಿಸ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟು ಯು. ಯು ಮೀನ್ your body. You have forgot many things about your body. You have forgot the positivity about your body. You have forgot your skill and talent. Now you are remembering everything. Now you can recall everything. And for every time, your body is yours, your mind is yours, your skill is yours. Panchashila patadi dhiksha bhumi ratadi. Panchashila patha. Patha andre it's a path. So Panchashila patha dhiksha bhumi ratha. It has a different meaning. If you see, Buddha had 8 path of life, alva? The non-violence etto. All these things it is being mentioned in the Panchashila patha. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಪಂಚಶೀಲ ಪಥ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಭೂಮಿ ರಥದಿ. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಭೂಮಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಚಾರಿಯಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ. ತಂದೆ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಾದರ್, ತಾಯಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮದರ್. ಸೊ ಬುದ್ಧ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾದರ್, ಬುದ್ಧ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಮದರ್. ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಗ. ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವ ಮೀರಿದೆಡೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚನ ತಂದೆ, ಬಯಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧನ ಮೆಚ್ಚಳ ತಾಯಿ. ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವ ಮೀರಿದೆಡೆ, ಬೋಧಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ದ ಬೋಧಿ he got enlightenment. So if you forget that essence of the enlightenment, sattva, the essence of enlightenment, he won't like it. So bayalinali bandhana, in this entire world you are feeling that insecurity or like in a cage, even that he doesn't like that cage, he doesn't like the imprisonment. Your thought has to be freedom, it has to be independent at the meaning. ಬಹು ಜನತೆಯ ಹಿತವೇ ಬಹು ಜನತೆಯ ಸುಖವು. So the people can live happily when you live. So it's like live and let live. Do not keep cribbing on something else. Do not hate anyone. Do not keep pointing others. Do not judge anyone. So when I do all those things, even I am not happy, even the person is not happy. So if everyone are happy, then everyone will be fine. Now I don't have a problem with anyone, then nobody has a problem with me also. Even I am happy, even they are happy. Bahu janate, bahu is a many, janate is a people, the society. If everyone in the society lives good, then there is no problem for anyone in the society. Nammusira neetiyu nammaneya reetiyu. So that the way I live, that's the way I breathe. You understood? Yes, the philosophy that it matters to me. ಮಹಾಮನೆಯ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ಸಾರಿರೋ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ. ಮಹಾಮನೆ. ಸೊ ಮಹಾಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ in those days they used to have like the big place where they used to have the discussion about the discrimination, about the inequalities that used to happen in the society. They used to discuss and they used to take a decisions. So ಅದನ್ನು ಮಹಾಮನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ, what is the ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ, what is the mantra? The main mantra is equality. So let's spread the word of equality, that mantra everywhere. ದಿವ್ಯ ಜಗದ ಭವ್ಯ ಮನುಜರಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬಾಳಿರೋ. So ದಿವ್ಯ ಜಗ, this entire world is a beautiful world. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಭವ್ಯ ಮನುಜರಾಗಿ, like a great humans, you live like a great humans. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಜಾತಿಯ ಸೀಮೆಯಾಚೆ. Remove this, come beyond your religion, come beyond your community, come beyond the caste. The life is beyond this. We are born as a human, we will die as a human. We don't carry any kind of these things that has been named from the society, never, which is completely wrong. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಧರ್ಮದ ಗಡಿಯಾಚೆ. Come out of the border of the religion, come out of the border of the community. That is what I told you before. Linga Beda Bekilla, Linga Beda, there is no gender discrimination. You are a boy, you cannot do this. You are a woman, you cannot do this. No, there is no discrimination. The God has created us in the same way. You are a girl, you are a boy. There are some good qualities that is restricted only for a man. There are few qualities that is restricted only for a woman. Like giving a birth is restricted to a woman. The men cannot give birth, right? So there are few qualities. Apart from those qualities, both are equal. Should be treated equally. It has to be done equally. There is no linga beda, there is no gender discrimination. Melu keelu illilla. You are a rich, you are a poor, you cannot do this just because you are rich. You are a poor, you cannot do this. You cannot do IAS just because you are a poor. You are rich, so you can go to the NASA. No, that's wrong. There is no discrimination, rich or poor illa. Everyone are treated equally. Everyone has to get their rights equally in this earth. Buddha namma nadayemmade, Buddha nudiyamma nudiye. Buddha nadayamma nade, Buddha nudiyamma nudiye. How the Buddha followed his path. Follow the path. What are the thoughts, what are the philosophy that is being taught by Buddha? Believe that and follow that. That is what the poet is saying here. So with a beautiful message. See, the message is not just meant for the exams and tests. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. You have to follow this in your life. That is the beauty of the education, that is the beauty of the poem that is being given in right now. Why the poem is there in your book? Because you have to adapt these values in your life. That is the beauty of the poem. Okay, so let me read the poem. ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಓದಿ. You can read along with me. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಮರಳಿ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಬುದ್ಧನೆಡೆಗೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಕತ್ತಲಿಂದೀಚೆಗೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಆದಿಗೆ. ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ನಿತ್ಯ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಸತ್ಯ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಕ್ರಾಂತಿ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಕರುಣೆ, ಬುದ್ಧನೆಂದರೆ ಬೆಳಕು, ಲುಂಬಿನಿಯ ಬನಕೆ ವೈಶಾಖ ಬಂದಂತೆ. ನೀ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀ ಮನೆಯು, ನೀ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೀ ಮನೆಯು, ಮರೆತೋದೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನೆನಪಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ, ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ತೆರೆದಿಹುದು ಈ ಮನೆಯ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ಪಂಚಶೀಲ ಪತದಿ ದೀಕ್ಷಾ ಭೂಮಿ ರಥದಿ. ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಂಧು, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಳಗ, ಬೋಧಿಸತ್ವ ಮೀರಿದಡೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚನ ತಂದೆ, ಬಯಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧನ ಮೆಚ್ಚಳ ತಾಯಿ. ಬಹುಜನತೆಯ ಹಿತವೇ ಬಹುಜನತೆಯ ಸುಖವು, ನಮ್ಮುಸಿರ ನೀತಿಯು ನಮ್ಮನೆಯ ರೀತಿಯು, ಮಹಾಮನೆಯ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ ಸಾರಿರೋ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ, ದಿವ್ಯ ಜಗದ ಭವ್ಯ ಮನುಜರಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬಾಳಿರೋ. ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಜಾತಿಯ ಸೀಮೆಯಾಚೆ, ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾರೋ ಧರ್ಮದ ಗಡಿಯಾಚೆ, ಲಿಂಗ ಭೇದ ಬೇಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ, ಬುದ್ಧ ನಡೆಯಮ್ಮ ನಡೆ ಬುದ್ಧ ನುಡಿಯಮ್ಮ ನುಡಿ. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅರವಿಂದ ಮಾಲಗತ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪೊಯಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಪೊಯಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪೊಯಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಯಾರು ಇವರು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಯ್ದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇವನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ದಟ್. ವಿಶ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಹೂ ಬಲು ಕಂಬಾರ ಈ ಕವನ ಸಂಕಲನದಿಂದ ಆರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Then coming to the activities, you always know that I won't be doing any kind of activities. I am not doing any kind of question answers. I am explaining the complete poem to you so that you can understand and write down and attend all the question answers and other activities. ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ. ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಗೇನ್. ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೇನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಐ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪೊಯಮ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಟು ದ ಚಾನಲ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ. ಐ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.